This is Gyeon Total Remover, a ceramic coating and sealant remover. And this is Bola Solution Paint Cleanser, a versatile cream meant to restore your paintwork to its original luster. The claims by those two products are absolutely mind-blowing, from removing coatings, sealant, light scratches, light stains, and water spots. So in the 2024 market, how does Gyeon compares to Bola? Let's find out. Okay, my friends, in this video, we're gonna test out those two products. We're gonna push those strippers to their limits on two different cars and on fresh ceramic coatings and fresh sealant. Plus, later on this video, I'm gonna reveal to you the pH of Gyeon Total Remover with this digital meter that I just recently acquired for the channel. So I hope you're ready. This is gonna be a good one. So let's get into it. So Bola Solution Paint Cleanser P58. It's 28 bucks for 300 mils. You can get it from Carzilla. You can get it shipped to your place in the US as well. It comes in a cream form that you can use by hand, just like a polish or a compound. It contains aluminum oxide, 0.2 micron particles, very fine. So Bola promises that it's not gonna mar your paint even used by hand. And to be fair, Bola does not mention that it can remove coatings, but after trying it out in my Dawn dish soap version 2, I have a good feeling that this product is gangbuster, so stay tuned. We'll test it out across a bunch of different defects on the two cars for today's test. So Gyeon Total Remover is 25 bucks for 500 ml. You get a nice packaging, a good sprayer, and this product was built for a rapid removal of any protection. Gyeon mentions that it should remove all coatings, so we'll find out if the claim is true on a fresh 1-year ceramic coating. So according to Gyeon, this product is going to be a game changer for those who have matte and satin paint if you want to start fresh with a new coating application. And Total Remover can also be a strong addition to any decontamination process for any paint type as well. And according to Gyeon, this product is going to be very effective and also very important. This is going to be a very safe product for your paintwork. Obviously, work on a cool panel out of direct sunlight and you should be all right. Now, there's also rumors out there that strippers products can leave a film behind to make your paint look flat and to make you believe that you remove your ceramic coatings. So during this test, we'll make sure to not get duped. So who are those products for? Well, for anyone who wants to start fresh with their coating or a sealant. I have never really indulged in the strippers products. I've always used a polisher with a compound or a polish, but those products are becoming a real trend in the detailing niche, and Total Remover is selling like hotcakes on Carzilla. So I figured we will at least test them out, see if they work. Now I'm really excited to show you the test with strong visual as usual, guys. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so I hope you can see the defect here. So this car was hit by God knows what, right? So I'm pulling the iPhone just to make sure that we have a good shot. So there's something that hit the car here. So we're gonna see, let's say that you don't have a polisher, you're not interested into polishing. So let's see if this product would be good enough to remove this scuff, right? So big dot, probably too much, but let's see here if we can remove that crap, all right? So right off the bat, I'm seeing it going away. This product is amazing. If you have a polisher, probably best to use a polisher. Let's say you have your car detailed and something hits you like this. Well, that could be a nice solution. About 28 bucks, you get a bottle of this, maybe you pay for a pad, and that's gonna fix your problem instead of going to a pro detailer or a body shop, okay? Wow, look at that, guys. Pretty shiny. Defect is removed in what? 1 or 2 minutes? After you clean your car, you inspect it and you find something like this. Pretty nice. Okay, so we have a scuff here. Actually, a bunch of scuffs on the clear light. I'm gonna hope that it's visible on the camera. Let's try to remove this. There's a bunch of scratches. This product doesn't dry on you, and look at it. Here we have some scuff again. Let's see if we can get rid of it. What was it, like 4 or 5 passes, hand passes? It's gone. Okay, before we start, let me show you the water beading on this door. Let's try with the garden hose. Let's test out the total remover. Shake up our bottle pretty good. I'm gonna try to keep this spray within the driver's door section. Spray liberally. Smells acid. Smells something like, reminds me of CarPro Spotless or what is it called? DIY water spot remover. So this is probably an acid product. So I have this microfiber mitt. I'm gonna rub that in. So it's been about 30 seconds, maybe even more. Let's Yep. It's slow sheeting. It's Armor Detail Sealant, if I'm not mistaken. That's the name of it. To be fair, this paint should be decontaminated and prepped with a panel prep before applying the sealant, which I did not do. I just applied it after a wash. So guys, it's gone. So guys, one thing to keep in mind is that when your paint is new or it's been freshly polished or it's ultra clean, you have been through every decontamination step, it's normal to see that you have some fine beading or very little sheeting. That's just the natural behavior of clean bare paint. All right guys, so we're gonna do the Bola here. Let me show you the water beading. As you can see, we have protection. Let me use the pressure washer to show you. All right. So we have protection. Is it 100%? No. All right, so dry this off. All right, so paint cleanser, check it well. Don't need a lot, guys. Something like this is more than enough. So we're gonna do this a square here. Circular motion. Now I want to remind you that if you use the links down below to buy anything, that really helps the channel grow so we can buy more cool things like this pH tester. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. So let's get back into the video. So let's wash that. Let's rinse. Well, this product works really well since we have abrasive. You guys can see it's working as it should. Very slow sheeting. That confirms to me that the sealant is gone. Let me use the pressure washer just to make sure that everyone is happy with this test. Very, very flat, slow sheeting. Okay, so here we have the Bola solution Z17 or Z17, supposedly a strong sealant. So here's the water behavior. It's been applied in the last video of Dawn, so it's fairly fresh. This paint is already clean. Let's try the total remover. Spray generously. Let it dwell. Use our separate microfiber. I'll explain later the process in the second test on the ceramic coating. Rub that off and let it dwell for 1 to 3 minutes according to the instruction. Very simple. If you're afraid that the product is drying, just re-wet the paint, the panel once more. Rinse off. Wow. So I'm not expecting this to be more flat than this. All right, what I can do for you, just to make sure we don't have a residue or anything like that. So no one is gonna chime in the comment section about this. I'm gonna use neutral soap here and rinse again. So, is this spiked with some crap to make your coating or your sealant look flat? I guess it isn't. This is true result right here. All right guys, so here we have the 1-year ceramic coating, which is Tax System Moonlight, all right? This is a solvent-based ceramic coating, not your water-based spray stuff, your turtle wax stuff, guys. This is some serious ceramic coating, all right? So we have applied it in the Dawn version 2 video. I'll put the link down below if you haven't seen it. But take a look at the water behavior before we test our product. So super hydrophobic. So what I want to do first is dry off this paint quickly. All right. So we'll use the Bola solution paint cleanser to test out if this can remove the ceramic coating with a finishing pad or a medium polishing pad, all right? Nothing too harsh, nothing too serious. I'm not gonna apply insane pressure, all right? I can close this, thank you. All right, so put it here. So I'm gonna do a straight line. My friends, don't forget, later on this video, we're gonna test out the pH of Total Remover, so you don't want to miss this out. We do about 4-5 passes like this. So let's clean this up. Clean the residue up, make sure we have nothing left. Very good. Rinse it off. Wow. This is not your cheap-ass product. This is some real potent stuff, guys. So we have beading just up top and below. So it removed the coating quickly, no problem. What I can do for you as an extra step, gonna use some paint prep, alcohol-based, couple sprays. Let this dwell 30 seconds. Okay, so the water behavior is still the same. We still have a slow sheeting, a clean panel. All right, guys, so phase number 2, we're gonna use the Total Remover by Gyeon. Give it a good shake. We're gonna actually try it just below here where we still have coating. Let me show you, and this is not a trick. So we know that Total Remover can remove sealant waxes. Now we're gonna try it on our ceramic coating. Spray generously. Let it dwell. So I went on the Gyeon website. On the Gyeon website, it says to wait 30 seconds after you rubbed it in the paint. Okay, so if you read the instruction in the bottle, it's a little bit different. They say to spread it with your towel or with your wash mitt. For the sake of not introducing soap and cleaning off this thing, we're gonna use a separate towel. They say to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes after you spread it with your towel and never let it dry, and rinse off and whatever, repeat if necessary, okay? I'm not a repeat type of guy unless we're talking polishing or cleaning an interior. On the exterior, I don't want to waste too much time. Want something that works on the first try. So I just sprayed it a little bit more, and we're gonna wait another minute here and rinse off, see if that took care of the 1-year ceramic coating. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes here. We rubbed it in the paint. So let's find out if it removed the ceramic coating. Very powerful. There's no doubt in my mind that this ceramic was removed. Okay, so Gyeon Total Remover is no joke. Okay, my friends, as promised, we're gonna test the pH of Total Remover by Gyeon. So I have recently acquired this meter here, this pH meter, which is a quality tool, by the way. So just to make sure that we are on the same page, this tool has just been calibrated right here, right now. So just to double check, we're gonna use some pH 7 Polestar by KiLL to get a baseline for you guys. And then we'll measure out the Total Remover, all right? So we are at 6.8, pretty much 7, right? Okay, so we're gonna rinse this out in distilled water. So I just removed the sprayer on our product. We're gonna pour it in this little cup here. Take my tool, stir it, let it rest. Hopefully it doesn't fall down. And check out that pH, brothers. It's pretty low. So Gyeon is not advertising the pH on their website for this product. Some are advertised, some are not. And then this product is ready to use. So when the smiley, there we have it. So there's a little smiley face there. When that appears, that means that the pH is measured and it's pretty much stable. So we're at 3.2, which is way below the neutral pH, if that matters to you. Okay, so let's take a second measurement just to make sure. And make sure to let me know in the comments down below which of those products pique your interest the most. So again, when the smiley face is gonna appear, that's gonna mean that we have a stable pH, stable measurement. So there you go, the smiley face is there. Same measurement, 3.2. So there you have it, my friends. So we're looking at an acidic product. It's not the end all be all. So take it for what it's worth, but I know that a lot of you guys are curious about this stuff, so we can nerd out a little bit more about those things on this channel. I was shocked how those two innovative products performed. Not only that, they were good, effective, and safe for your paintwork. Now the Bola solution can be a little more time consuming, but it did everything that the Gyeon can do and even more. So now that removing coatings is out of the way, you're gonna wanna know how to remove swirls and scratches with those two videos right here. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.